Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Fine? Very good. Today we are going to see Block 1 Lesson Plan 5. Word work. CVC words. What do you mean by CVC word? What is the meaning of CVC word? A CVC word is a word that is made up of a consonant, vowel and consonant sound. For example, cat, hot, tip, man and hut. These all are CVC words. I repeat again, a CVC word is a word that is made up of a consonant, vowel and consonant sound. For example, cat, hot, tip, man and hut. These all are CVC words, and today we are going to study about these CVC words. What is the aim of today's lesson plan? To identify and write CVC words. Make words with letter cards and sort them. Sort the words and figure out the phonic rules. And in this we are going to solve, write words and make sentences. This will be your classwork. And homework, do the alphabet puzzle. Okay, so let's start. Today we will make words using our letter cards. We will sort them based on how they sound and how they are spelled. Now see these letter cards. Can you see these letter cards? Letter M, S, A, R, T. Using these letter cards, you have to make various words. Which words can you make letter cards? For example, M-A-T, mat, S-A-T, sat, R-A-T, rat. Like this, you have to make more words. Now, make these letter cards and with your family member, you play with these cards, letter cards, and make as much as words you can. Okay. See the word work, the alphabet puzzle. With the help of this, make more words and copy it down in your notebook. With your family member, you can play this and make as much as words you can. Okay. So start and play with your family member, your mother or your grandfather or anyone in your house. The keywords which we are going to use in this lesson are art, rat, mat, ram and star. What is the meaning of art? Art means a drawing or painting. Have you seen rat? The next word is rat, an animal that looks like a mouse but it is a bit bigger. It's like mouse but it is bigger than mouse. Mat, a piece of thick cloth or rubber used to cover part of the floor. You must be having mat in your house, door mat or various mats which you keep in your house and you use it for sitting or in the door and for various uses, various purpose you use this mat. Next is ram. Ram means a male sheep. Have you seen a sheep? Sheep means a female sheep and ram means a male sheep, that is called as ram. Star. We see in the sky, night, in the sky, stars, twinkling stars. You must have seen so many times stars. There are uncountable stars in the sky. And these you can see at night. Okay. Now see today's activity. Take out these letter cards and put them on the desk in front of you. The letter cards which you made, just arrange them on your desk in front of you and see what you can make from this. Listen to the words and make them with your letter cards as fast as you can. Now I'm going to say some words. You listen them carefully and try to arrange these cards as fast as you can. The first word for you is two-letter words. Let's see who is faster. As, A-S, as. At, A-T, at. Done? Very good. Now let's see three-letter words. Art, A-R-T, art. Come on, hurry up fast. The next is rat, R-A-T, rat. Arrange it fast. Then the next word mat, M-A-T, mat. Very good. Now next is ram, R-A-M, ram. The next word, ready? Arm, A-R-M, arm. Very good. And now the four-letter words. Ready? Star, S-T-A-R, star. Very good. Okay, now let's make the secret word. Can anyone make a five-letter word which means to be clever or very good at doing something? Right now I gave you some words. You made it fast. So I think you are clever. Now using all these five letters you have to make one word. Which word can be done? Smart. Very good. The secret word is smart. S-M-A-R-T. Very good. Now let's write all these words, the words which we made in class in our notebook. Now make the words, three-letter words which we made. Art. Now which words we made first? Two-letter words. A-S, as. A-at, at. Three-letter words. Art, A-R-T, art. R-A-T, rat. M-A-T, mat. R-A-M, ram. A-R-M, arm. And four-letter words. Which was the word four-letter? Star, S-T-A-R, star. And the secret word? Smart, S-M-A-R-T, smart. Very good. Now let's see some questions. How did you spell these words? We first said the sound of the letter and then put together to spell the word, isn't it? First we said the sound. Say each word slowly and listen to what sound is the same in all words. Now see all the words and which sound is same. Sort the words as shown in question 1 in your word workbook. You have your book, word workbook. You have to note down these words in that book. Is the A sound at the beginning of the word or in the middle? Let's see. Start on your screen. Sound and spelling. The second is word with one syllable and word with two syllables. Words we made in the class: man, stain, and now you all fill in the blanks which all words we made. and sort them into the category: sound and spelling, words with one syllable and words with two syllable. What are the sound and spelling rules? How is the letter A different from the letter R, S and T? The letter A is vowel. The other letters we used like R, S and T are called consonants. When we spell words, we usually put a vowel between two consonants. For example, rat, R, A, T. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Understood? R is consonant, A is vowel and T is again consonant. Now let's listen to this and read the story. Rule on our own. Let's underline the A in the words where it is used in the middle of a word. Then let's use some of the word we made in class to complete the sentence. Now here you have to solve worksheet and see in the question 3. Let us use some of the words we made in class to complete the sentence in question 3. Now check out your worksheet. Identify and write CVC words: consonant, vowel, consonant words. And now at last, do your homework. Do the alphabet puzzle in your word workbook. Trace over the letters. Draw a line to join each letter with the word that begins with the sound each letter make. Okay? And solve practice questions. I am giving you these practice questions also. Try to solve this. This was the lesson. about your CBC words. Nicely hear this video and again during our online class once again we'll revise this topic because you might find hard during this video. So carefully listen, mark your queries, your doubts, and keep your questions ready. So during online class again we'll solve this. Understood everybody? Okay. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Have a great day. Bye bye.